Hey you guys, this is Black and Blue, and I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get into today's cash stuffing video. Let's go. This is Black and Blue, go ahead. What's the crime? An attempt to watch and not subscribe? Yep, that's a crime. Friends don't let friends watch and not subscribe. So, come on, let's get into the video. I want it. Does what I want it to do. Okay, so today we're getting into a cash stuffing video, and I'm pumped because it's past the time I'm supposed to do my cash stuffing. It's Monday, and I normally do my cash stuffings on Fridays. However, I was insanely swamped and busy, booked and busy, working on orders, and I'm having so much fun with them. They're Christmas orders. I'm still working on those, and mystery boxes, mystery pens, and I'm just having so much fun and just trying to get them done as quickly as possible so I can get them out to you guys in case you guys are trying to gift them or you just want them by Christmas, obviously. So that's what I've been doing, and I missed Friday's upload, and I really do not like missing uploads, but sometimes I have to. 6, 7. I'm just kidding. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 57, 5800. 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1400, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 1500 is how much we're stuffing today. And before we do, so this package is from my girl, Janelle Ray Budgets, and I am so pumped to open this because she said that she is making cups. She said she used to make cups and she stopped, and now she's making cups again, and I'm making cups too. So she was telling me that she 3D prints, she makes a cool funnel that makes making cups easier, and she said she would send me some, and oh my gosh, I'm so, oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh. I've been making cups like crazy, so I'm so excited because this is going to make it easier to get stuff inside the hole. And I didn't even know, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I didn't even know she was 3D printing stuff, but she's not going to post this in her shop. So if you're watching this and you're a cup maker, because I know some of you guys are coming over from TikTok, if you are a cup maker or you need glitter and you need some kind of funnel that makes it easier to do whatever you're doing, you can message her. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The color is so pretty. She did black and blue. Janelle, you are so awesome. Look at that. I wish I had a cup right now because the bottom of it, the snow globes, you put this in, you pour the glitter in, and then I am so excited. These look so good, Janelle. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. She is so sweet. But you can message her if you're like, I need one of those. I want one of those. She'll sell it to you. I'm so excited. But you won't see it in her shop, Janelle Ray Budgets. You won't see it in her shop, though. I didn't even know. Oh, my gosh. She told me she was sending this. Oh, my gosh. No, she didn't. No, she didn't. I don't know what's going to be in her shop and what's not, but I'm literally seeing what I know I'm seeing. Two of my, favorite characters. Okay. What? I gotta start with this. These are, wait. Oh, no. I thought these were pens. Get that glitter in there. No way. Janelle, tell me that's what this is. This will be insane. No way. Nuh-uh. Janelle, tell me if that's what this is. I am gonna freak. Oh, look at the back. Oh my gosh. The back of this one is literally holographic. Oh my goodness. She's a 3D printing queen. Janelle. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This might be pieces for a game. Let's look at this one first. Oh my gosh. These little cards are so cute. $3, $6, and $3. So when you stuff that amount, you can color it in. Oh my gosh. Tell me this is not from the Breakfast Club. Oh my gosh. This will tell you everything you need to know. Oh, yeah. Oh. This is a classic. This is a classic, and I love this so much. Now it makes me want to watch the movie, The Breakfast Club, if you haven't seen it. What are you doing with yourself? No, but this is a classic. I freaking love this challenge. I'm doing that on Wednesday. I need to put your name on it because when I'm recording, sometimes my brain goes blank. Janelle Ray budgets. Sometimes my brain will go blank. Okay. I'm gonna put that in the back so that I can just turn it and look at it. That is so cool. Thank you so much. Janelle is the sweetest. Oh my gosh. I think these are pieces, right? Oh my gosh. This is literally for the first one. So it's a baggie. I wonder if you have to like draw a sea turtle, save the amount on the bottom, write the amount you saved in the circle. So I'm going to pull one and then put it back in there. Did she 3D print these? Oh my gosh. She did. Look at this. Look at its eyes. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Or her. 3. So I'd be stuffing $3 in here. And then I'll put it back in. Oh my goodness. The spots look so good. I feel like it's a little baby. Like, it's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh. Are they all identical? Yes. They're so cute. My daughter's gonna take these if I don't hide them from her. She loves turtles. Oh my gosh. Me and her will have fun doing this. Janelle, girl, this is so freaking cute. This is in her shop. Janelle Ray Budgets. I'm going to post her down below so you guys will be able to click her channel, go to her channel, look at her links, shop with her links. Oh my God, the Breakfast Club. Oh my gosh. I want to scream right now. I'm literally in my house alone and I'm like whispering. Normally my daughter's supposed to be sleeping. I don't want to say sleeping because sometimes she's awake. Oh my gosh, knockout. The only knockout I know is basketball, but this might be similar. Roll 2 die, 1 for the top, 1 for the side. Match up your rolls and save the amount. Match up. Okay, so if I roll a 5 and I roll a 3, we're saving $1. Find the card and save one of the amounts. If you get a special spot, find the card. Oh, this. It's not what I thought. Okay, and save one of the amounts. So you could, oh my gosh, you can choose which one you want to do. This is so clever, smart, and amazing. I'm going to be doing this one and this one. I'm going to be doing both of these because I want to do both on Wednesday. Oh, it's a board game. Roll your dice, move the number of spaces, save the amount you land on a special space. If you land on a special space, find the matching card and save one of the amounts. Find the matching card. This is literally for 2 different games. So we're going to be doing all three of these. Janelle, she literally has the coolest challenges. The little turtles. Oh my gosh, I just want to sit here and like do my challenges right now. I want to play. I want to play. Look at that black and blue. She freaking loves me. Janelle, I love you too, girl. I love you too. Like, this is so amazing. Oh my gosh, she really loves me, guys. She really loves me. Thank you so much, Janelle. I'm just going to keep staring at the stuff over there because I'm so excited. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm just so excited right now. Okay, we are unstuffing these bills right now so that we can then take our new paycheck and stuff these bills. Half of each of these bills. I stuff a half of my bills every Friday, even though it's Monday. We're a couple days behind. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I know I did. Had a good Thanksgiving. I worked all day And the day before, we celebrated Thanksgiving, me and my family at my place, and it was a blast. It was so fun. My mom and my daughter cooked Thanksgiving, and my daughter loved it. She loves to cook. I don't cook, so she doesn't get that fulfillment from me, but my mom is a boss. Is a boss when I tell you. Oh my gosh, everybody loves her cooking, and she was teaching my daughter, and I'm so grateful. It was amazing. My sisters were here. Oh, it was so good. It was so nice. It was so awesome. Anyways, we have $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 30, $630 coming out of car loan. Oh no, we're not taking this out. This gets stuffed and it stays in here until I have enough to pay my next 6 months of car insurance. We're leaving that right there. And then we have, I believe it's in April, so I got time. We got time. Subscriptions, we're taking it out. 50. Cell phones. What is it? 180? Yeah. I still haven't gone to check why my bill is this much. And now we had a blizzard, so I'm definitely not driving anywhere. So when I tell you guys we got so much snow, usually they're wrong. They're like, you're getting a foot of snow. We get like half an inch. No. They said we were getting it, and we got all of it. So I'm not going anywhere. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 180. Coming out of our phones. It should be 140, but whatever. I'm gonna figure it out. And internet should be 105, 50, 70, 90, 105. Perfect. And then my gym membership, which during the winter I barely go to the gym. I just work out here at home, so I should probably cancel this, but it's 60 for me and my daughter. But she's starting volleyball today, so she might want me to take her to our gym more often just for volleyball, because they have the volleyball courts up at all times, and it's pretty cool. So we're now stuffing these bills. I like clamping them together because these are for 2 weeks, then we pay these for 2 weeks. So for our mortgage, we're going to start off by paying $615. That's half of my mortgage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 615. That's half of my mortgage. And then my HOA, half of this is 115. 115. I also just got paid from Instagram. Oh my gosh, I wish. From YouTube. And I will be stuffing that next Monday. And we're going to do Alexa again, because why not? The last time we stuffed all of her, it was a blast. Like a blast. So we're going to be doing that again. I love that video. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. We did a whole savings challenge video just stuffing Alexa. I think in the end I had a little bit left over, so we put it in our denominations binder. But besides that, it was literally a one challenge savings challenge video. So ComEd, I'm going to be stuffing. I've been running my heat like you guys don't even know. I'm going to do 50 for North Shore. And then I'm going to do, wait, I'm supposed to be doing half. 25 for North Shore. Usually my bill is like $30, but I'm going to stuff half that and then that and then that again if I need it. So ComEd, we're going to stuff, because I've been running my heat like crazy, I don't really know. Let's do 120. This might be all I need, or I might need to add a little bit more. We'll see. We shall see. Okay, that's it for these bills. Let's get into our wallet categories. You guys know we're doing a no spend. I'm still doing this no spend for a couple more days, for a few more days. And since we got the snowstorm, it makes it real easy. I haven't been going anywhere. Nope. Okay, I did want ice cream from our grocery store, and we were in a blizzard, so my sister DoorDashed it to me. That's on her. Okay, she DoorDashed it to me, so that's on her. Thank you, sissy. Oh my goodness. So we're unstuffing all of these as well. $250. My daughter's 20. She just went to a hockey game with her dad, and she bought a hoodie, so she owes me money. We have 50 coming out of my gas, and I did get gas, so perfect. And then 100 coming out of my miscellaneous, which, guess what? That hoodie she paid for was a pretty penny. So it did come out of miscellaneous, but she said she's gonna pay me back, so we'll see. We'll see. I really didn't want to tell her no, even though I'm in a no spend. It's kind of hard when you have kids, but as long as I feel like I succeeded in this no spend, then we're good. Then we're good. And so far, I feel like I'm doing pretty dang good. Were any of you guys doing the no spend? I know some of you guys messaged me on Instagram and said that you also were, and some of you said that you were not because it would have been too difficult for you to. Just remember, you can tailor no spends to how you need them to be. You can still shop small. You can still shop for necessities, but just shop for them and don't buy anything else extra. But yeah, you can tailor it to how you want it to be and then still end successful following your guidelines and rules. So for groceries, which we do need to go grocery shopping, so we're doing 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. It's just me and my daughter, but groceries are so expensive. Sometimes this isn't even enough. And this is for 1 week. My daughter, I'm going to give her 20 again, even though she owes me money. For me, I'm in a no spend still for probably the remainder of this week, which is fine. There's nothing I feel like I want or need anyways. It's all about work. I'm all into work and blinging and having a blast here, so there's nothing I really need. Let's see. Okay, so for my car, I'm going to add... I don't think I'm going to need it because I'm not going anywhere. Actually, no, I know I'm not going to need it. We're not even going to stuff that because we just don't need it. We're going to do 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I always do 100 in the beginning of the 2 weeks in miscellaneous, and it should last us the full 2 weeks. We'll see. It depends. All right, let's see how much money we have left for our savings challenge video. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. So 355. That's actually a good amount. I didn't think we were going to have that much left over. Whenever I have to stuff my mortgage, those 2 weeks, usually we have less for savings challenges, but we're stuffing Alexa anyways on Mondays, so I could leave that challenge out of Wednesday's video. I could. But I'm going to get out of here. I appreciate you guys for hanging out with me. I'm going to get out of here and catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back on Wednesday and Friday. Mondays, Wednesday, Fridays. I'm out of here. Bye.